Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is regarding Python for data science course. So these are exam preparation MCQs with more than 6 years of NPTEL experience. We are providing this. Here you are going to get a huge number of 295 plus MCQs. 295 plus MCQs along with datasets as well. So huge number of 295 plus MCQs. You will get that in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So for one person 295 MCQs, for one person it will be 300 rupees, for 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500 rupees. So if you take this pack along with your friends or classmates, each one of you can get 295 plus MCQs, and the combined price of 5 members will be 500 rupees. So please share this news with your friends and classmates and do let them know about this pack. Already many students and even professors have also taken our various courses. So mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com to get the payment information. So mail me to this email ID guys. Within 5 minutes after payment you will get access. So the validity will be till the exam results publishing day. High syllabus will be covered within less time and easy to revise, and the validity will be till the exam results publishing day. So no need to worry about the validity and all, and search option is also provided so that you can search any question you want. So huge number of 295 plus MCQs. 295 plus MCQs, almost 300 MCQs. So for one person it will be 300, for 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500. So this is the mail ID. I will give the same email ID in the description box as well, bk179417@gmail.com. So friends, please share this news with your friends and classmates and do let them know about this pack and purchase this pack. So that's it guys. So keep supporting us like this. So all the best for your final exam. Goodbye.